Today, we have something special in store for you. We'll be showcasing some amazing wooden kitchen ideas that will add a touch of elegance and warmth to your cooking space. So, let's dive right in. If you're a fan of the rustic charm, this kitchen idea is perfect for you. The use of reclaimed wood for the cabinets and open shelving gives this kitchen a unique character. The natural texture and warm tones of the wood create a cozy atmosphere, making it a welcoming space for family and friends to gather. Modern minimalism. For those who prefer a more contemporary look, this modern wooden kitchen is a stunning choice. The clean lines and minimalist design create a sleek and sophisticated ambience. The light-colored wood cabinets and countertops add warmth to the space while maintaining a sleek and uncluttered appearance. Farmhouse elegance. Bring the charm of a farmhouse kitchen into your home with this elegant design. The combination of white painted cabinets with wooden accents, such as the island and ceiling beams, creates a perfect balance of sophistication and rustic appeal. It's a timeless design that will never go out of style. Functional beauty. Incorporating smart storage solutions into your wooden kitchen not only adds functionality but also enhances its beauty. This kitchen features cleverly designed wooden cabinets with pull-out organizers, built-in spice racks, and hidden compartments. These thoughtful details make organizing your kitchen a breeze while maintaining a sleek and seamless look. Customization options. One of the greatest advantages of wooden kitchens is their versatility. You can easily customize them to suit your personal style and needs. Wood types. There are various types of wood you can choose from, each with its own unique characteristics. Popular choices include oak, maple, cherry, and walnut. Consider the color, grain pattern, and durability of the wood when making your selection. Finishes and stains. Applying a finish or stain to the wood can enhance its natural beauty while protecting it from moisture and stains. Matte, satin, or glossy finishes can be chosen based on your desired aesthetic. Stains can range from light to dark shades, allowing you to customize the look of the wood. Mixing materials. Incorporating other materials into your wooden kitchen can create visual interest and contrast. For example, pairing wooden cabinets with stainless steel appliances or granite countertops can add a modern touch, while combining wood with brick or stone accents can bring a rustic feel. Lighting. Proper lighting is essential in showcasing the beauty of your wooden kitchen. Consider installing under-cabinet lighting to highlight the texture and grain of the wood. Pendant lights or chandeliers can also be used as focal points above islands or dining areas. Maintenance. Wooden kitchens require regular maintenance to keep them looking their best. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for cleaning and caring for your specific type of wood. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that can damage the finish or wood surface. Sustainability. If environmental sustainability is important to you, consider using reclaimed or salvaged wood for your kitchen. This not only adds character but also reduces the demand for new wood and helps minimize environmental impact. Balancing colors. When designing your wooden kitchen, pay attention to color balance. If you choose dark wood cabinets, balance them with lighter countertops and backsplashes to avoid a visually heavy look. Similarly, if you opt for lighter wood tones, consider adding contrasting elements for depth and interest. Open shelving. Incorporating open shelving made of wood can be a great way to showcase your dishware and add a touch of warmth to your kitchen. It also provides an opportunity to display decorative items or plants, adding a personal touch to the spa. Cabinet styles. Wooden kitchen cabinets come in a variety of styles, such as shaker, raised panel, flat panel, and inset. Each style has its own unique look and can contribute to the overall design aesthetic of your kitchen. Consider the architectural style of your home and your personal preferences when choosing cabinet styles. Island design. A wooden kitchen island can serve as a focal point and provide additional workspace, storage, and seating. Consider incorporating a contrasting wood or countertop material for the island to make it stand out. You can also add decorative elements, such as corbels or carved details, to enhance the island's visual appeal. Backsplash choices. The choice of backsplash can significantly impact the overall look of your wooden kitchen. Consider materials like ceramic or glass tiles, natural stone, or even a wooden backsplash to complement the wood cabinets. The backsplash can add texture, color, and visual interest to the space. Hardware selection. Pay attention to the hardware you choose for your wooden kitchen. Knobs, handles, and pulls can contribute to the overall style and finish of the cabinets. Consider the shape, size, and material of the hardware to ensure it complements the wood and other design elements in the kitchen. Flooring options. Wooden kitchens often pair well with wood flooring, creating a seamless and cohesive look. Hardwood floors, such as oak or maple, can add warmth and character to the space. However, if you prefer a different material for the flooring, consider selecting one that complements the wood cabinets and creates a harmonious color palette. Accessories and decor. Add personality and style to your wooden kitchen by incorporating accessories and decor elements. Consider hanging pots and pans from a wooden pot rack, displaying vintage kitchen utensils, or incorporating wooden cutting boards and serving trays. Plants and greenery can also add a fresh and vibrant touch to the space. Durability and longevity. When choosing wooden kitchen elements, prioritize durability. Opt for high-quality materials and finishes that can withstand the demands of a kitchen environment, including moisture, heat, and daily use. Proper maintenance, such as regular cleaning and occasional refinishing, can help preserve the beauty and longevity of your wooden kitchen. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about the design or implementation of your wooden kitchen ideas, consider consulting with a professional designer or contractor. They can provide expert guidance, help you make informed decisions, and ensure that your vision is translated into a functional and aesthetically pleasing kitchen. Remember, the key to a successful wooden kitchen design is to balance functionality, aesthetics, and personal style. Take the time to plan, research, and explore different options to create a kitchen that reflects your unique taste and meets your practical needs. And there you have it, some incredible wooden kitchen ideas that will transform your cooking space into a beautiful and functional area. Whether you prefer a rustic, modern, farmhouse, or custom design, wooden kitchens offer a timeless appeal that will never go out of style. So, which idea inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more inspiring home ideas. Until next time.